In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your ads on Gumtree. First, open the Gumtree app or website and log into your account. Next, tap Post an Ad or open an existing ad that you want to edit. In this case, I will open one of my already posted ads, then click on the three dots and choose Edit. Scroll down to the Media section. This is where you normally upload your photos. Now, below that, you'll find a section that says Add YouTube Video Link. Tap on it and paste your YouTube video link. Then scroll down and click on Update Your Ad. If you need to remove or replace it, just tap the delete icon next to the video. Finally, your video will be visible to everyone who views your listing. Now, to show you whether your video actually showing on your ad or not, I will search my ad using another account. And as you can see, it's showing my video, and to see it, I can click on the video section right next to the images and watch the video I just posted. And that's it. That's how you add a video to your ads on Gumtree. Thanks for watching.